You are welcome to my show, Jeff Owolewa TV. She Dadani Mobanyi. Guys, do you know that Dr. King Saheed Osupa is the most streamed Fuji musician right now? When I made a video about the fact that Dr. King Saheed Osupa is the most trending, is the most followed Fuji musician online, then I gave you guys some facts, some figures, but some people actually came under the comment section. They started saying a lot of things. I said, okay, see, in this debate, it is actually debatable. Do you get? But anytime I come up with an analysis, just have one thing at the back of your mind. I have made my findings. Now, in this video, I just want to on levels. You see, when they talk about the most streamed Fuji musician across all digital platforms, you won't believe that it is Dr. King Saheed Osupa. Then I said something in that video that I made the other time. I said, if you go online, go on Instagram, go on TikTok, go on Facebook, you will, even YouTube, on the scale of 1 to 10, you will realize that 7 or 6 out of those videos are songs from Dr. King Saheed Osupa's albums. We all see the kind of wave that Jokosibe is making online. This is just the facts and the figures. We are all seeing it. This is not aiding. Do you get? Now check out songs like Buredi Wow on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. Do you get? Now the game has gone from analog to digital. Now there is nothing anybody can do about it. If you are not in the news, forget about it. If you are not trending, just go and sit down somewhere. See, feel free to fact check me. Do you get? But do your findings. Check how many plays Dr. King Saheed Osupa has on Boomplay. How many plays Dr. King Saheed Osupa has on Audiomack. How many streams Dr. King Saheed Osupa has on Spotify. How many streams he has on all other streaming platforms. Even go on YouTube right now. You will see that people online, the online audience, are naturally gravitating towards Dr. King Saheed Osupa. That is the fact. Now, that brings me to the second point in this video. See, I saw the video when Dr. Sikiru Ayinde Barister was crowning Dr. King Saheed Osupa as the king of music. I saw that video. I paid attention to that video and I checked under the comment section. I saw a lot of people said a lot of things. Do you know something? Out of all the people that made comments under that post, like 99.9% of